And today, special thanks to our friends over at Supcase who were nice enough to send us this Unicorn Beetle grip case for the 2025 iPhone 17 Pro. Now inside of this box is nothing else in there. A nice case for the 2025 iPhone 17 Pro Max. Little camera button reminder, warranty info, and then this, a beautiful blue case to protect your iPhone 17 Pro. Now, just to quickly look around this, you can see we have the camera button here, your power button, volume and volume switch. Down here is where your USB-C port goes, as well as your speaker grills. You've got this to nicely protect that whole camera module with room for all of your lenses. I can say you don't see any Supcase logos or even Unicorn Beetle logos on this case, like nowhere, unless I'm just missing it. So to put this on, you of course take your three buttons here on the side, put them in first, and then you're able to kind of just pop this corner in, and then lastly you pop this corner in, and there you go. Now your iPhone 17 Pro is completely protected. You've got a nice lip here on the front to protect the screen. All four of your corners have these nice big thick corners here. Camera module is nicely protected, has an amazing grip here where that it's going to be nice and firm in your hands. And my favorite part, besides this nice blue color, is this. This folds out to be a little kickstand for vertical or horizontal videos. And then when you're done, you can just flip it back down out of the way and you're back on your way. Thanks again to Supcase for sending me this Unicorn Beetle grip case for the 2025 iPhone 17 Pro. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.